Hello everyone, I am Wicca BluMoon. Today I will be talking about how to get to the fourth dimension, or 4D. Now the answer is a simple one. I could explain it within minutes, but I don't think that would do anyone justice or be fair to them if I were to do that, because there is a lot to it. And I want viewers to know that this isn't a game. This is not to be taken lightly and will forever change your look on the world. It isn't that the task to open your mind to the 4D is hard. It's that when you open that door, information will flood your mind. Truths that you may not want to know about the universe and about existence itself will overwhelm you. This is what makes it so hard. Your senses and feelings will be in overdrive as well. This sincerely messes you up. You think you're losing your grip on reality, and you're losing your mind. This is all normal, but I suggest that you have another person there for support. Take this into consideration before attempting this. The 4D isn't a physical place you can visit. It's a higher consciousness of being. This is part of your natural evolution as human beings, though it doesn't feel like it at the time. Now, if you're still with me, I would like to share the first thing that you will find out when you reach the 4D. This is one of the biggest and most devastating things that you'll ever find out. Are you ready? Existence has no meaning. Let me repeat that. Your existence is meaningless. Right now, you're most likely cussing at me, and that's okay. A lot of people won't believe me or is just going to click the video off. That's okay as well. People won't believe me until they experience it for themselves, and the few who have experienced this know I'm telling the truth. When I found this out, I collapsed, crying and in a deep depression. I want all of you to know this. It took me a while to get over this ground-shattering information. But let me explain. This meaningless itself has no meaning. So it's up to us to make it meaningful. We are the meaning, and that we need to cherish what we have and what we are. We are made of the universe, and we get to define our lives and existence. But we have to choose to do this, or we are meaningless. I wanted to let everyone know that the 4D entails before you take on this voyage. Think good and hard before you do this, because there is no reverse button after the floodgates have risen. Now, if you're still with me, thank you. I will now tell you how to get to the 4D. Now, getting to the 4D is an easy step, but not a lot of people will have the determination to know it, because you must be consistent. First, I recommend that you open your third eye. Once you have done that, you need to set an hour aside, 3 to 4 nights every week, to cast a circle. Doesn't matter if you do spells inside of it or if you just want to meditate in it. But the minimal you will need to do this is 3 times a week. Doing circle magic is cutting a direct connection to the universe. So when you do this several times a week, it will connect your mind directly to the universe. When I did this, I casted a circle every day for over a month and a half. Now this was for me. You might be able to connect to the 4D sooner. You might take longer. But when it does happen, there will be no question if it has happened. There are several different ways to cast a circle. I have 4 different ways, just depending on what I'm trying to achieve. And depending on your religion or spiritual path, this will differ what type of circle you will do. I will put a link on into the description to give you a crash course if you've never casted a circle before. This will break down step by step on how to cast one.